I still find it difficult to receive your Google Sent address code from Google. Don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you a game-changing secret that will allow Google to send your address code directly to you. So make sure that you watch the video to the end, and I'm going to reveal everything you need to know to get this address code sent to you directly. Alright guys, so let's dive right into the tutorials. Okay, so this is how your Google AdSense envelope that contains your code looks like. Okay, and the first thing I want to clarify here is that when this envelope is sent to you, alright, Google doesn't add a tracking number on it so they can track where the envelope is. Okay, and then the second aspect of it is that Google doesn't add your phone number to this envelope so that when it gets to the post office, they will call you to come for it. So these are the two things I want to clarify. So now let me reveal the secret to you how you can get this address code be sent to you directly. So when you log into your Google AdSense account over here, all right, you go to you come to payment and then click on payment info. Then this page is going to open for you as you see over here. All right, so when this page is open for you, these are the things you need, okay, for you to get your code sent to you. All right, so Google will need your full name, that is on your ID card, your address, your city, your country, your phone number. Okay, so where the challenge is the address part. Okay, so you can see over here that this is my name. I'll cover part of it because I don't really want to reveal every information over here. This is my name, okay, and then this is my address, my town, I'm Accra, Ghana, and then this is my phone number. Okay, you can clearly see over here. You can clearly see over here is that the phone number is optional. So when you provide your phone number, Google should have added it to the back of the envelope, but Google doesn't do that. Okay, so right now for you to get the address correctly so that when the envelope that contains your code get to the post office people will call you to come for it, is that when you are writing your address, okay, over here, when you are writing your address, first your name will come over here. All right, so Google is going to print this at the back of the envelope, your full name. So when you write your full name, when you get to the address section over here, okay, when you get to the address section over here, write the name of your post office. Okay, so first write the name of the post office. So I'm using Kaneshi Post Office. Okay, so I wrote Kaneshi Post Office, Accra, Ghana. All right, so make sure that the post office you are using is in the city so that when those envelopes come, you can easily get to those post offices, because sometimes when you are using post office at the rural areas or smaller cities, it's difficult for it to come. So make sure that you're using post office in the city so that you can easily get it. Okay, so I use Kaneshi Post Office, Accra, Ghana, and then I added my phone number to it. Okay, so this is, so I put a comma here and then I added my phone number to it. So I use +233 blah 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 my phone number to it before I add my name and those things. Okay, so when Google is printing this address, it's going to add a phone number to it. Okay, so let me show you how my address came. So this is how my address came. Oh, sorry. So this is where my address came. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit, guys. Okay, so this is how my address came. So you can see that my name is here. My name is fully printed here. Okay, the Kaneshi Post Office, Accra, Ghana, as you can see over here, Kaneshi Post Office, Accra, Ghana, comma, and then they added the phone number to it. The city over here was printed on it, and then the country was also printed on it. The country was also printed there. So you can see that my phone number was placed here. All right, if you don't add your phone number to the address, Google wouldn't add it by default. So when I add my phone number to it, when this envelope got to Kaneshi Post Office, they just called me and I went for it. All right, so this is the secret way you can add your phone number to your Google AdSense address, so that when the envelope gets to your post office, you will be called so that you can go for it. Other than that, Google is going to provide you with your name, your address, and then your city, and then Ghana. Is going to leave the post the number off because they wouldn't add it to the envelope. All right, they wouldn't add it to the envelope. So I hope you've taken note of it, and the next time you are filling your address to receive a Google AdSense code, you add your phone number to the address part, so that when you get to the post office, you will be called and you will go for it. So you can see the same thing over here. So I was called and then immediately went for it, and then I got my account verified. Okay, so I hope this tutorial has been of a help to you, and I'll catch you in another tutorial. Bye bye.